Hey friends, if you wish to delete blank or extra pages in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So for the sake of this example, I will insert a few blank pages. Now I have 4 pages here. Okay, and then I need to delete the blank pages. To delete any page, simply go to the top of the page and type backspace. Now like this is the page, so just type backspace. Return to the previous page, type backspace, and then type backspace. Okay, so this is how you can delete extra pages. Now I'll add a few pages again. To find these pages, simply press Ctrl plus G. Okay, and then you don't need to add the page number, just click on next and it will take you to the first blank page. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.